Alright, y'all. Come on in, level 0, take out your journals. I'm going to give you guys a couple seconds to take out your journals. Put the date on them. And once you're done, give me a thumbs up so that I know you're ready to go for directions. Because today's do now is just a little bit different than our usual do now. Alright, once I see all the thumbs up, I'll go ahead and explain what we'll be doing in a sec. Waiting for one more person, almost done. Almost done. Okay, alright, so, eyes on me. Cool. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today, our lesson today is going to be about the history of the national anthem. The national anthem for the U.S. Who knows what a national anthem is? Okay, so this is probably a new word that you haven't heard yet. National anthem, have you heard of the words in Spanish, himno nacional? Yeah, so it's a song that usually is sung by a country because the song represents something important for the country or the country's history. So today we're going to be learning a little bit about the national anthem, the U.S. This is national anthem. And so to kind of prepare us for how our national anthem became our national anthem and what it represents, what it's talking about, I want you guys to start with looking at this picture. Let's start by looking at this picture and asking yourself some questions. So the first thing I want you to do, I have 3 questions up here for you. The first thing I want you to do is look at this picture, look closely at it, and tell me, what does this picture make you think of? And why? Right? The second question says, do you think what is happening in this picture, does it look like it's a good thing or a bad thing? Right? Is it a positive thing or a negative thing? Why do you think that? Okay? The next one is, how does this picture make you feel and why? Does it make you feel excited? Does it make you feel kind of scared? Does it make you feel worried? What feelings, let's say you were maybe somebody in one of these ships or you're watching this happen from far away, what do you think you'd be feeling, right? And why? Why does it make you feel that way? Okay? So those are the 3 questions that I want you to answer in your journals today. We're going to do this at a level 0. And because I want you to be thoughtful with your answers and I want you to give me you have to have the word because in all your answers. And I've given you sentence starters here to get your mind going, right? But I want you to tell me the answer to each question, but also why you think that's the answer. Why is that your answer? So every single one of your answers to these questions has to contain the word because. So you're going to explain to me why you think what you think, okay? I'm going to give you about 6 minutes. I think that should be about 2 minutes per question, okay? And if I see the pencils are still moving after 6 minutes, we'll see what we can do after in terms of time, okay? Be prepared, once you jot down your answers, to share it with a partner first, and then we're going to share it as a class. Okay, we're going to talk about it as a class. All right, 6 minutes on the clock. Go.